informasi. Hari ini kita dah dengar banyak pasal sustainable agriculture, sustainable agriculture, sustainable technology. Tapi saya masih ada banyak masalah lagi. Dan saya nak berkongsi sini satu projek yang tengah dijalankan oleh Sison. Jadi beberapa development telah kita buat, di mana kita ingin menyediakan satu platform yang macam kata tadi, nak dapatkan information dari bottom ke atas, bottom up approach. This is one of the idea that we also is looking at. So SAFSEN, nama platform ni, is the Southeast Asian Network Facility. Fokus kita on sustainable agriculture, food security and nutrition. Now this project is being funded by the ASEAN Japan Solidarity Fund, and the program is being developed by ASEAN Foundation itself. So what is it? This is a mobile information platform, and the focus is really, there are so many ICT applications when it comes to information. Now, what we want is, we would like to see how farmers can have access to technology. In 2011, we had, during the ASEAN Food Security Conference in Manila, we had a workshop. And salah satu daripada faktor yang dikemukakan oleh petani masa itu, dia kata sekarang ni masalahnya petani tak tahu apa teknologi yang ada yang boleh diguna pakai, terutama yang di luar bandar. Di luar bandar, teknologi macam mana yang dia boleh guna pakai, kadang-kadang bahasa dia tak faham, jadi macam mana benda itu boleh sampai kat dia. So we developed this project. So the objective is really to provide access to technology, to promote and share technology and agriculture, and the most important, to reduce the gap of digital divide. Now in ASEAN, this has been one of the key areas for rural development. Macam mana masyarakat di luar bandar boleh menikmati keindahan ICT. Macam di Malaysia, kita dah banyak community broadband center. About 2,000 over community broadband centers have been developed the whole worldwide, nationwide. Tapi kalau saya tengok macam di kampung saya, CBC atau community broadband center, kebanyakannya orang muda-muda yang pergi. And then diorang ke Facebook. So now, how can we use this? We have this infrastructure, and a lot of farmers now also have mobile phone. So how can we channel this information pada diorang? So the objective is to reduce the digital divide. Now the language, one, we look at the literacy level of farmers, and then we also look at the gender role in agriculture, and then the use of ICT itself, because a lot of farmers, dia takut nak on computer pun, so this is something that we also look at. So the overall objective is to improve earning of livelihood and improve health quality of farmers and consumers, and conserve agricultural land and natural resources. The concept is through ICT. First, we want to inform that there is such technology. Then farmers boleh share. Kalau dia dah tahu pasal teknologi itu, kalau dia dah guna, dia boleh share dengan kita. And then dia boleh, bukan setakat share, and then dia boleh educate each other. And then at the end of the day, we still need training. Farmers, from what my experience is, farmers like one-to-one session. Diorang kalau letak komputer saja, tak ada interaction, a bit boring. So kita kena human touch still have to be there. And here we would like to empower farmers. They should decide, as Claire mentioned, they should decide through informed choices. Kalau ada teknologi, macam katalah CF, why do we have so much problem with CF? Because personally, farmers are not well informed about how to use or what is the outcome or what would be the negative or positive impact of this. So if proper information is channeled, they can make informed choices. So the emphasis on technology based on sustainable agriculture and food and nutrition. Our approach, okay, this project is developed thoroughly for Malaysia, Thailand, Indonesia, Laos, and Vietnam. And for this, for ASEAN, because it's ASEAN, we have to use multilingual, all these languages in these 5 countries. So whatever information we have to translate into this language. So in that way, we still have to have expert committee who are not only expert in the area of sustainable agriculture, but also expert in farmers' language. So we have to go really to the grassroots to look at the information that we channel. And the users, this is open, but our main stakeholders are the farmers. Now this project, basically, we look at the limitation of farmers to pay for interaction, because ICT is still not a free platform. Yeah? When you send SMS, you still have to pay. When you use internet, you still have to pay. So this is cost and burden to farmers, and this we have to take into consideration. And a lot of negotiation is being done so that how can we reduce or give rebate to farmers in terms of when they are charged for communicating with us. Yeah. So various mechanisms how they can how information can be channeled to them. Yeah. So how do we do this? Basically, Matam and Patam was with me in Indonesia. Kita buat satu sesi di setiap negara. Ya, kita adakan discussion. Kita kena tahu apa teknologi yang diperlukan. Ya, because and then we need to know bila dia nakkan informasi itu, di mana, ya, siapa yang nak guna informasi tersebut. Dan kita kena tanya apakah benda ni useful tak pada komuniti tersebut. Ya? So, for example, like this kind of information, this will be the kind of these are the kind of group of technologies that we are looking at. We are still building. This database is still being built up. We need to know, for example, in seed technology, what are the type of technology that is sustainable? Is seed coating, for example, how do you look at good seed? Like today, during this conference, there are a lot of sharing about way of selecting seeds, this kind of practices. And again, the emphasis is whatever technology that we put here should only is appropriate for small-scale farmers, small-scale farms. We are not talking about big farms. Yeah? So this is the focus of this. So for SRI, since it is a package of technologies involved, which can involve seeds, soil, water, pests, so how can we, the question now is whether I should create an SRI platform for Haiti. Because I know that Lucy is doing something, Matam is doing something, so how can I capture this kind of information, existing information? So this is a lot of collaboration with a lot of collaboration with relevant organizations. So this, for example, with Ipetani in Indonesia, we are given, we are working with them, and SetNet Asia. Sorry, it's missing my slide because I'm using open source. I don't use Microsoft Office. So this is this is SRI. So this is the collaboration that we do, and now the last, I think this will be the last slide. So we have done a lot of information collection in Indonesia now, but next one will be Malaysia. We still think now because kita tak tahu community mana yang kita nak, because this will be like a target community that we would like to work with, yeah? Because we need the strong ICT infrastructure most of all, and the usage, the user. So kadang-kadang kalau petani itu macam my mother cannot read, baca SMS, macam mana kita nak communicate dengan dia, you know? So do we use pictures, do we use voice? So this is something that we have to look at here. So the system, the database, internet training, so this is roughly what is going on now. I just want to share with you, and why I want to share this is I would like to get collaboration from relevant organizations in Malaysia, you know, because for example macam dekat with I think Agri was that with the plant-wise, they have the not really, Agri, sorry, because I was looking at Agri, so with the Agri, they have the plant-wise organization, which dia macam doktor pokok lah. You pergi situ, you tengok disease, what other disease, you boleh dia bagi jawapan, you know. So this is something very interactive, yeah. But to get farmers to use this kind of system, what can we do? You know, macam kalau kita banyak sini